Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Error handling is a crucial aspect of developing robust software, and Rust provides a unique approach to handling errors through its type system. Unlike many languages that use exceptions, Rust encourages the use of result and option types for error handling. In this tutorial, we'll explore best practices for error handling in Rust, along with code examples. 1. Understanding result and option. In Rust, errors can be broadly categorized into two types. Recoverable errors, these are errors that can be handled and recovered from, typically represented with the resultt type. Unrecoverable errors, these are errors that should not happen if the code is correct, represented with the panic macro. The result type is defined as follows. The option type, on the other hand, is used when a value may or may not be present. 2. Using result for error handling. When writing functions that can produce errors, always return a result. This makes it explicit that the function can fail. Example, file reading. Here's an example of a function that reads a file and returns its contents as a string. It uses result to handle errors. In this function, we use the operator to propagate errors. If an operation returns an error, the function returns early with that error, simplifying error handling. The function's signature clearly indicates that it can return a string or an IO error. 3. Handling errors. When calling functions that return a result, you should handle both success and error cases appropriately. Here are some common patterns. Pattern matching. You can use pattern matching to handle the result. Using unwrap and expect. For prototyping or when you are sure an error won't happen, you can use unwrap or expect. However, this is generally discouraged in production code because it will cause a panic on error. 4. Custom error types. Sometimes, you may want to define your own error types. This is especially useful when your application has multiple sources of errors. Example, custom error. Define a custom error type. 5. Using anyhow for simpler error handling. For applications where you want to simplify error handling, you can use the anyhow crate. It provides a convenient way to work with errors without having to define custom error types. Conclusion. Rust's error handling system, based on result and option, encourages developers to think carefully about error cases and handle them explicitly. By using the operator, custom error types, and libraries like anyhow, you can write clear and maintainable error handling code. As a best practice, always prefer returning a result for recoverable errors and avoid panicking in production code unless absolutely necessary.